Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make 50 shades of purple cookies. Aren't these gorgeous? I love how these turned out, and I also partnered with my good friend Marlene from Montreal Confections. Marlene is sharing on her YouTube channel how to make these regal hexagon cookies. Be sure to check her tutorial. Link to the tutorial is in the description box under the video. Alright, and now let's get started on these petal cookies. I'm gonna be using 6 different shades. When cutting the piping bag, always locate the seam on your piping bag and then press it down and use sharp scissors to make the cut. Try to make the opening on the bag same on all of the bags. Now I'm going to determine how thick icing is when you add up 6 lines next to each other, and then we're going to divide the cookie. I'm using edible marker, just making little dots on the cookie. Now take the darkest of the purple and outline. I'm using about 15-second consistency royal icing. Now take the lighter shade and make the lines across and continue until you are done with all the 6 shades of purple. To color the royal icing, I use different brands of either purple or violet food coloring. I also used electric purple. I added some sky blue, royal blue, red, or even pink to get the different shades. To make it lighter, you just need to add some plain white royal icing. So really you can play with it and create different shades of purple. Oops, I made a little boo-boo there, but don't worry about it. We're going to hide it and you won't even see it. And now here comes the fun part. Take the needle tool and now look what I'm gonna do. I just dragged it through that little boo-boo there and you can't even see it. Now go in opposite direction. And now go in between the lines you just made in one direction. And you can already see the pattern that we are creating. It's a really neat technique, it really is. It's so fun too. You can also change up the order and start with the lightest. Now I'm going to do the smaller petal. Now you're going to turn it like so and then run the tool this direction, and then we're gonna run it so it's perpendicular to the direction we just made, like this. We're gonna have to let the icing dry, and then using medium stiff consistency we're going to pipe teardrop shaped border. I'm using piping tip number 2. Let that dry and then use gold edible luster dust mixed with an extract and paint the border. And here are the finished cookies. Aren't these beautiful, guys? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, I'm curious, have you tried this wet on wet technique, and what colors have you used, or what colors would you like to use when you do it? I'm actually thinking about Easter and beautiful pastel colored Easter eggs. I think it would be absolutely stunning. Also, don't forget to check out how to make these regal hexagon cookies over at Montreal Confections. Link to the tutorial is also going to be posted down below in the description box, and you can also wait till end of the video and there's going to be a thumbnail. You can click on it and it will take you to that tutorial as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.